Hi. My name is Ivy, and I am here to introduce you the Gowanus gang. Gull, Betty, Gowanus Guppy, Rod, Herman, and Penny. These are my friends, and they live in and around the Gowanus Canal, in Brooklyn. They want to be your friends too. They are kind and absolutely fun, but their lives have been in danger because of a monster, known as pollution. It is created by past industrial waste and combined sewer overflow, also known as CSO. Thankfully, Environmental Protection Agency is working on a plan and very soon they will begin cleaning the canal. But there is something that EPA cannot prevent. Poor system drainage is triggered by heavy rains, and causes stormwater to mix with untreated sewer from our houses. Everything we flush in the toilet may end up in the canal. Let's look at how CSO system delivers untreated waste into the canal. During dry weather, regular sewer is supposed to go to the treatment plant. But, during heavy rains, stormwater and untreated sewer combine.
So, how can this be resolved? Is there a way that could prevent stormwater from mixing with untreated sewer?
That is an excellent question, Betty. There are many great ways to catch stormwater before it enters sewage system. For example, if property owners install special tanks to collect stormwater, later it can be used to water their gardens. There are other awesome solutions as well.
Does this mean they'll be left alone by the pollution monster, and the neighborhood will become greener and cleaner?
If all of my friends choose to become your friends, they will encourage their parents and schools to install these collection tanks and green gardens. I am excited. Are you excited? To learn more about Gowanus Gang and their story, stay tuned to www.gowanusalliance.org. Thanks for watching. You are awesome.